Hey, what's going on guys? It's Will with Stockmate, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to have emotional intelligence when trading. So Warren Buffett likes to say, if all we needed to be rich was intelligence, then a lot more people would be rich. And what he means by that is he's implying you have to have emotional intelligence as well. So emotional intelligence will help you when investing in the stock market or any market of that matter. It'll help you with your relationships and your partnerships and anything when it comes to business. If you're in a relationship and you have good emotional intelligence, then you know how to express your emotions, you know how to feel that other person's emotions, and you know how to manage your emotions so that you're not having trouble communicating because you can set them aside and be objective, right? Same thing goes for investing in the stock market. So the first thing that can help you improve your emotional intelligence when investing is going to be not having a fear of missing out. Not having a fear induced that's telling you in your mind that the reward is so great and it's not really weighing the risk because your emotions are just looking at the reward. And having the fear that that's only going to be there for a limited time and you have to get in right now. See, investors that are really good, they know how to pass up deals. Sometimes the best investment is no investment at all. And passing up opportunities is a skill. For example, Warren Buffett also says that if you could have a punch card where you had 20 companies, 20 stocks you could invest in for your entire life, then you'd be a lot smarter with your decisions and you wouldn't worry about the small, short period of time investments that might yield a high return. You would be focused on 20 investments, and each time you had to punch a hole, and when you punch a hole, that is the investment, and you only get 20 punches for 20 companies you can invest in your whole life. Then people would be a lot richer, he says. And I agree. Warren Buffett is a famous investor. He's one of the richest men in the world, and his investing strategies have proven well. He's more of a long-term investor, and I'm a little more aggressive, but I also plan for the long term when it comes to investing. So I've covered the importance of having a trading plan in past videos. You can click the link right here and check it out. And pretty much what that does is when you have a trading plan, you are looking at the stock objectively because you made this plan when no emotions were involved. So people that go into trade with no trading plan at all, so say that you're going into a trading plan where you plan to get 10% and cut losses at 2.5%. That's something I like to do. But say you're doing that. You cut losses at 2.5%, right? And you see the stock going below 0% when you invest. It's approaching your stop loss, but you cut losses early before it gets 2.5% because you have this frigid fear that it's going to hit that stop loss, and that's going to make you a poor trader. It's going to make you a bad trader. And you don't want to be a bad trader, so you let your emotions get the best of you and you sell. You sell early, and maybe it recovers and it doesn't hit that stop loss and it goes up 10%, and then you're beating yourself up even more. I've done this before. And if you do stick to a plan and you're consistent with the plan each and every time, then you have a great chance of being profitable. That's the biggest thing, is people let their emotions get in the way and they don't stick to a plan that they made before they invested in the stock when no emotions were attached to that stock. It was objective. And that's like one of the biggest things you guys can do is just not have the fear of missing out and knowing that you can pass up opportunities. And passing up opportunities is sometimes the best investment is not investing at all. And then the other thing is just being able to stick to a plan and being objective and set your emotions aside and really think, okay, when I made this decision to invest in this, when there was no emotions involved, what did that do for me? And then the third thing, which I covered, is that you want to invest in not so many stocks. Don't overtrade. Again, Warren Buffett says if you have 20 stocks you can invest in for your whole life and you have to punch a hole each time you invest in one, people would be a lot richer. So just take that into mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and if you want to get a free ebook with the trading plan, all you have to do is click the link.